Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
To choose a signature style that suits you, start by reflecting on your personal brand or character. Think about what you want your signature to convey, be it professionalism, creativity, or elegance. Experiment with various styles, focusing on legibility and simplicity to ensure it can be easily replicated. Consider incorporating elements such as unique lettering or a distinctive flourish, but aim to keep it moderately brief. Finally, practice your chosen signature until it feels natural. This process not only secures your identity but also enhances your personal or professional documents with a touch of personal flair.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.